ABC's superhero hit Marvel's Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. gets ready to introduce a new supervillain. Screen Crush reports that Lost veteran Dylan Minnette has been cast to play a young version of Donnie Gill, the character known to Iron Man fans as the alter ego of supervillain Blizzard. Minnette will make his debut in the drama's 12th episode of the season on January 14th, but the question is, what will his introduction mean for the rest of S.H.I.E.L.D. Academy? Let us know your predictions in the comments and stick with us for more TV scoop from Celebified.